How fitness helps you in a time of crisis. Number 1, mental strength. Ito ang pinaka-importante. You can't control problems, but you can control your mind, body, routine, and discipline. Number 2, stress release. Breakups, financial problems, pressure, lahat yan naiipon sa katawan. Training is your outlet. Hindi ka sasabog or hindi ka bibigay. Number 3, discipline. When everything is unstable, fitness gives you structure. Wake up, move, eat right. Kahit magulo ang nangyayari sa labas, may system ka pa rin. Number 4, energy to keep going. Crisis drains you. Fitness gives you energy. Hindi ka laging pagod or unmotivated. Number 5, confidence. Kahit may problem ka, you still feel strong, in control, and capable. Hindi ka madaling matalo mentally. Fitness is not just about your body. It's your anchor when life is unstable. Follow for more. Nati out.